Hello everyone, my name is Alif and I'd like to welcome you all to Data with Alif channel where you learn the data analysis from the beginning, from the scratch. Our today's lecture is about all the charts that you are going to use in the data analysis in the data section. Today, I have a data set of gender like 600 male and 400 female. This is the donut chart. This is the donut chart, and this is the pie chart. Okay. So the theme is while you are comparing two things at a time, you must use whether donut chart or a pie chart so that you may compare easily. So because here the numbers cannot tell you the exact information, the percentage will give you all the information about the two things comparison. I am specifying you again. You must compare two things together while you are using pie chart and a donut chart. Okay, and the month to month trend, what you have to follow, like I have January, February to December sales information, and the target which you will which the staffs will achieve accordingly. Okay, so the theme is we just need to make it how we can make it, like how we can make this type of data set, like here we have the data set and again the male and female comparison, how we can make the donut chart. Okay, the pie chart at first I will show you, like you will go to the insert section, like you are in the home tab and you have to press the insert section, and you can see here is a lot of information, like this is the column chart, this is the trend lines chart, and this is the pie chart or donut chart, and like whenever you press wherever, it will give you the information as per your needed. Okay, like at first I'm going to select the 2D pie chart for this gender information, like you have we have already got the got the chart over here. Now there is a formatting pattern which you are going to take going to work on. Okay, so press over here, right click, and there is a format chart area. Okay, you can change the in different ways, and like you can select from here the change colors and like chart style. Okay, you can select from here. If you select this one, it will give you different kind of colors. Okay, whenever like you want to select this yellow and the orange color. Okay, now you want to change it to blue and cyan color, so this is the info, this is the set you can make. Now you want to change the background color like this, so whenever you select from here style 3, it gives you the information 40% who is 40% and who is 60%. From here you can get easily the information, like female has got 40% and male has got 60%. Okay, now if you want to change it like this, you can do it. You can select from here, you can select from here, you can select from here as well. Okay, if now you don't want to change remain on it, like you just want to make it highlighted, so press over here and it will be it will give you this type of chart. Okay, Now I want to change, not from there, I just want to select this part, and I want to change the fill color, go from the fill color. So if I want to change it to this like 60% will be in dark color, dark mode, and 40% will be 40% again, and you'll have to select from here. The 40% will be in the scenario of like this, okay, or you can make it like yellow, okay. So the color you now we cannot see here how we can set the tab the percentage, so what we have to do, the data levels, and data levels, whenever you select the data levels, and like chart title, what we have to do is let me start from the beginning. Chart title, if we don't need chart title, we can easily remove from here again, and whenever you press the chart title, it will come straight away. Okay, you can change it, and you cannot like you don't want to keep it over here, you want to give it a centered overlay. Okay, whenever you give centered overlay, it is not good to see, so for the visualization you need you must select the above chart, or you can go to more option, you can give give it anywhere, like you can fill the solid color with the solid color, you can give nose fill, and you can give the gradient, you can select no fill. Okay, yeah, you have a borderline over here, you can select the color that you are going to change on, and then you need to go to the selection option. Okay, now, so you must edit the option like male versus female, male versus female. Okay, and the chart is about male versus female. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to select over here, you can change the information, like whenever you go to numbers, you can go to the selection, level selection. Okay, when you want to select the value from the cells, value from the series name, value, you can select the category name. Okay, whenever you select the category name, it easily gives you the information, and the value will be the from the data level, like you want to change the chart type is gone. Okay, so this is the center, so the information has been given over here in the middle of the center of the pie chart, and if you want to give it inside end, so it will go inside end. Then yeah, if you want to give it outside end, it will give you outside end, and if you give it base fit, it will fit best in anywhere, wherever it fits best. If you want to give it a data call out, this is the most efficient tool that you will use, like whenever you give you have lack of space, you can give it outside and the call out value, and the most important thing, you just need to change it, like you cannot keep it over here, you just press over here and legend, this is the legend option. Then you can select the right, you can select the top, you can select the left, you can select the bottom. Okay, where it was previously. So for the great visualization, you need to select at the right, and it will give you the information like this. Okay, now we just want to change the chart into a donut chart. You have to, what you have to do is you have to select the chart again, and insert the go to the insert, and again go to the donut chart. Okay, so donut chart, what you have to do is you have to I'm going to place it here, and I just want to select it and format the chart area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change at first the ratio, the size of this proportion. We just need to, I just want to select this, and I press over here. Whenever I press over here, it gives me three column. Okay, so column donut hole size, and I can angle the first slice, and it was the orange color was in this side, and it has been changed to there when I gave it an 120 for the better look, and I just want to take it there. So if I want to, if I change it to 171, it goes there. So this is how you have to work on it, and donut explosion, and whenever you say 81%, it will break the donut, and it will show you separately. So I'm going to put it 0. Now donut hole size, how will you increase 30%, and the hole size will be 30%. And if you want to give it 70, 80, 82%, and it will be a thin layer like this, and so I'm going to change it to the 40%. Okay, the 40%, it looks good, and it looks like a donut. So you again, what you have to do is you have to change the male versus female name. It was the previous name, male versus female. Now female versus mail. Okay, so this is how you will change the name of the donut chart, and now you want I want to select the mails option, and I'm going to change it to the to this color. Okay, so now I want to change this change also the male one. So select it, and let's jump over to this section, and it will give you like red. If I give it red, and it gives me the perfect combination of it, and now I want to put the chart title, just beg your pardon. So data levels, and the data levels, I want to give the call out value again. So show it as a callout value, and yeah, again select it and drag it to the outside, and again select it and drag it to the outside to set it best. Okay, uh, it will go outside. Okay, so now I want to change the background of it, and I'm going to the fill color and the solid fill. When I give it solid fill, yeah, I can change it from here like if I give it this color, it shows me great. So this is how you can work on it, and the transparency, sometimes you'll have to increase the transparency, like see, there is no background or nearly the same background. Okay, so you give it 0, and I don't want to make it lengthy, so I'm going to jump over the next chart, which is the monthly sales chart. Okay, so first of all, yeah, I just want to know the January, February, and December raise and drop cases, and what I am going to do is insert, and I'm going to just select the line chart the as per given. So this is the line chart I have created. Now I want to make find out whether it is increasing or decreasing, I'm willing to watch the trend line, and I'm going to select over here the right click and add a trend line. Whenever I add a trend line, it goes on like this, and there is a 3 column option, trend line option, so you can do it exponential. It will give you curve. You can select the linear, it will give you straight line. You can select the logarithm as per your need, and as per your information given by your company or by your senior manager. You'll have to select the trend line. Okay, so now I'm going to select it and make it more formatted and more informative, so that the manager will understand how their performance is employees are performing. Okay, so let's select the steel tarot. So steel tarot I've given, and if I want to give increase this steel tarot size, I can give it more efficient, like 2.5 points, so it will increase the size, and this is how you will have to work on here. This is the trend line, and this is the monthly sales chart. Okay, monthly sales information has been given here. Now if you want to remove the background trend lines, so you can easily do that. Now I'm going to select this trend line, which has been given not so smooth. I just want to smooth this line, and select from here, this is the fill and line option, and smooth the line. Okay, so it has been smoothed, and you can see this is a clear and best information you can show it to your manager. Okay, now you can do the same as per as I have done over here, and now I'm quickly moving forward to the another part. So I'm going to select the whole table, which is January to December. Again, I'm going to select the insert option, and I'm going to select the recommended charts. So in the recommended chart part, you can see this type of information has been given, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the chart and again, and it will I will go to the all charts option, and there will be a combo option. Okay, here you can see everything like column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area, and xy scatter chart, map via stock, surface, radar, tree maps, and sunburst, histogram box, and whisker plot, waterfall, and funnel chart. So I'm going to select the line chart, and I'm going to select the line chart as the secondary axis. Okay, so this is how you can make another chart which is giving you the information of the target cells, like in this target pointer, this is the target cells of 200 in the February, and the target achieved 250. So the target has been achieved successfully. Now I just want to press over here, like this is here, and I'm going to select over here, create a trend line as well, so the information will be given successfully. So again I'm going to select over here, and I'm going to make it smoother, as per the previous information. Now if I select this chart, this is not giving me the information, so I'm going to remove these lines from this chart, so it will show nice and smoother. And now I'm going to select the trend line as well. Again I'm going to select it like 2.5, 2.75, and I'm going to select the information of this steel tarot. Okay, the steel tarot, whenever I select here, it will this is giving me the right information. And again I'm going to increase the volume and the size of the column, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it like this is white, giving 1.5 and 1.6. There will be no trend line, like sidebars. Okay, and I'm going to select it and format the data series, and series overlap. When you select this, you just press over here 61%, this will go 27%, and gap width, you must reduce the gap width, and I'm going to select over here and give it 40%, okay, and this is giving me the exact or accurate information, or you can make it 50%, so that it looks nice, clean, and tidy. Okay, no, so this is how you can work over here, and you can give the chart title, the target sales, the achievement versus target. So this is how you can work on the target achievement, and goal versus you can make it goal versus target. Okay, goal versus target. Okay, so you can name it as per your need, and you can drag over here, so beg a pardon, not from here. You have to select here, and you have to go to, you have to shift it towards the side of given information. Okay, so it looks nice, clean, and tidy. So you can delete this section as well, as you know, the this is the trend line, and this is the target sales point, and this is the actual sales you have made.